Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Riri and I love BOXYCHARM. This is the December Boxyluxe. I have been waiting for this. I'm so excited. As you guys know, I do not get any spoilers or anything like that, so if you have posted yours, I will watch it once I am done filming. If you're unfamiliar with Boxyluxe, this is a quarterly subscription kind of in addition to your standard Boxy, and it is $50 every 3 months. So let's hop on in. And I have found typically in the month of December, a lot of our boxes, like subscription boxes, kind of step up their game a little bit. So I'm excited. I do not see any kind of version on the outside of this, so I'll check on the little card to see what is in here. It actually feels very, very heavy. Like, is there a dead body in here? So this month is Whimsy. And everything's on the back, so we're gonna put that to the side so we don't get to see a sneaky peeky. Everything is really well packaged. I always love that they package everything pretty well. First up is the IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. I have actually heard wonderful, wonderful, wonderful things about this. And actually, I'm gonna try it out. The only thing I have zero makeup on my face at all, but I did kind of fill in my brows just a touch, you know, just a touch. I don't know how fast this... Oh my gosh. I don't know how fast it comes out. It doesn't have an overly scented fragrance to it, which I appreciate. I don't like... Oh, wow, that does... Wow. Let me find out. I might like this better than my Hask. The Hask one is bomb, though. Okay, so cool. I like this. I will probably use this. I don't always use dry shampoos, but I'll keep it around. Next up is Rituals. The Ritual of Sakura. Celebrate each day as a new beginning. Sensational foaming shower gel with organic rice milk and cherry blossom. Oh my god. And that is a full size. Oddly enough, I know lots of people like gel type cleansers, gel primers, gel everything. I'm not a fan. I don't like how they feel, like texturally. So I'm sure this is a wonderful, amazing product, and we'll see how much it costs, but it ain't for me. So we're gonna put that over here on this side. Next up, I have to move the foam. Oh my gosh, there's lots of stuff in here. Okay. I see an Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil, a soothing facial oil for fine lines and wrinkles. Soothes, nourishes. Oh, yes. I will faux show be using this. I do love the Elemis, like, marine collagen cream or whatever, so that's really exciting. Oh, it's so beautiful, too. Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. That is so pretty. I have a ton of oils, so I'm just going to keep this in here. I'm not going to try this just yet because I have a lot opened right now, but I'm really excited about that product. So, hey, so far so good. We're doing all right. Next up is a deodorant. QMS Metacosmetics Lip Line Corrector Lip Serum. A lightweight serum formulated to hydrate and plump the lips for a smoother, youthful appearance and for all skin types. That's pretty cool. I will actually probably use this. How do you work? That's very neat. It doesn't say how much or what to... I'm just going to pump a little tiny bit on my hand, maybe? Oh, I'm scared. Hello? Maybe I'm doing something wrong? Okay, that's up and that's down, and then it doesn't do anything else other than that. I don't know if mine's broke, or if I'm just doing it wrong because I'm a dumbass. It's literally not doing anything. I'm gonna watch some and see if some other people got it to work, because if I twist it the opposite direction, it just goes back down into the thing. So apparently I'm an idiot and I'm fucking doing it wrong. I don't know. Cool packaging. We'll see what happens. I don't know. Next is a, ooh, this is a Too Faced Melted Matte Palette. I got excited because I love the Too Faced, like the regular ones. The shade Queen Bee is like my shit. But it is a liquefied metallic matte lipstick in the shade Faking It. I will show you guys what it looks like, but I'm not going to use this. I do not like metallic. Ooh, yeah. It's a beautiful color if it was matte. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Beautiful packaging. The formula of these is really, really nice though. They smell really nice. They wear really nicely on the lips. That's gonna go on this side over here. Next, I feel something weird. A Kat Von D Dagger Tattoo Liner. Waterproof liquid eyeliner in Trooper Black. I think they've kind of reformulated this. I did use this in the past. Y'all know I don't really use liners a whole. And mine came with the lid completely off of it, which means it's probably dried out. Oh shit, no it's not. Wow, that's black. Oh my god. That is really cool. I'm kind of disappointed, I'm not gonna lie, to see this. Like, I'm not disappointed because it's Kat Von D. I love Kat Von D. I mean, what she does with her own child is her fucking business. I look at quality of makeup, not what the person's doing. But these are like on clearance, I think, at Sephora. So for this to be in the box and we could go to Sephora and buy it for cheap, you know, I'm a little disappointing. Next up is a Ciate Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher in the shade, I guess Marbled Light is the shade. That is what the outer carton looks like. I do like Ciate's formula on things. They always have really pretty packaging and stuff. This one actually looks like somebody beat it up and it's scratched to death. I don't know what's going on with this box, y'all. That's pretty. It reminds me of like some of the Laura Geller ones that I've had in the past, which I think are really beautiful. I will swatch this. Y'all know I like blush. Oh, that's really... Sorry about that. My damn camera cut off again. Anyways, it looks like it's kind of marled up a little bit. I don't, probably just from packaging, but it is really beautiful. It's really, really soft. I like that it's more neutrally, not too pink, not too peachy. It's really beautiful and has a slight luminosity to it, which y'all know I love. So I'm excited about that. I will for sure be using this. And it's not closing right. I don't know what's going on with this box. Like, I'm liking stuff, but then I'm also like, how come nothing's working for me? Next up is a, oh god, I almost shot my box. A fresh soy face cleanser for all skin types. Rich in amino acids, gently cleanses the face and the eyes. This is a fresh soy face cleanser. An extra gentle gel cleanser that instantly whisks away everyday impurities and makeup. Oh, I don't know. And I know it's a full size and I know this is an amazing brand. I don't usually like gel type cleansers. I'm going to try to open it from here. So no, it's already sealed. Yeah, I'm not going to mess with it, guys. I'm going to do some research on this and look it up. But again, it's so strange. I know, but it's a weird consistency for me. So I don't usually like it. And then last, I knew we were getting a palette. I don't know if I think all of them were supposed to get this palette or not, but this is the Fairy Tales Storybook Cosmetics palette. This is Little Briar Rose. You guys already know that I am a huge fan of Storybook Cosmetics. I love most indie brands. And that is what it looks like. Absolutely stunning. Of course, they close up like a really cool book. They are beautiful to display. And it has a nice mirror. It does fold all the way back. And then there are our shades. We have Briar Rose, Spindle, Prince, Grim. I love their formula and stuff like that. I don't know that I'm going to use this only because I have so many palettes that are kind of similar. And then I know that I wouldn't use the blues and stuff in here. I really want the, I wish I got the mini box or the regular boxy because it was supposed to get the Robin Hood palette with the greens in it. So I may find one of my friends to trade with me. They can have this full size one and I'll take the mini one. So let's go over some pricing. The Storybook Cosmetics Little Briar Rose palette is $55. The Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil is $79. Holy mom. That's crazy. The Ciate Marbled Light Illuminating Blush is $26. That kind of sounds a little bit high too. The Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. This gel cleanser for all skin types has a cult following for the way that it removes makeup, even mascara, without drying for soft, supple skin. It is made with amino acid rich soy proteins, calming cucumber. Cucumber is wonderful for kind of inflamed skin. It is and balancing rose water. Sensitive skin, it also soothes and tones. It is $48. I may try it. You guys let me know if you've tried this, please. I would love to know. The QMS lip line corrector that apparently is not working, or I'm dumb, is formulated exclusively for the upper lip area. Lip line corrector targets fine lines and wrinkles. This high-performance, lightweight serum is specifically designed to hydrate and plump the lips. $200! I bet the fuck not. And it doesn't even work. Again, unless I am an idiot and I am not doing it right. I don't know if there's a seal in here, but I can't take like this silver part off. So I'm very confused and I'm kind of pissed if that's actually supposed to be $200 and I cannot get it to do anything at all. Yeah. And I mean, you guys have seen me pump this now about 45 times. There's nothing at all coming out. A little bummed about that. I would never in a million years pay $200 for a product like this. Holy fudge. Okay. Oh my god. The IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo is $27. I feel like that's kind of pretty standard. The Kat Von D Dagger Tattoo Liner is $20. I'm positive it is still on clearance at Sephora. The Too Faced Melted Metallic Lipstick is $21. That's pretty standard as well. The Ritual of Sakura Shower Gel is $9.50. So that's only $9.50. This is $200. That is insane, especially since it doesn't work. So I'm a little bit pissed. Yeah, I'm going to come watch some other people and see if I'm doing something wrong. I can hear it like it's trying to come up, but... Okay, wait. Oh, okay. Never mind. I thought it was coming out, but it's like it wants to come out. I don't really smell anything. Yeah, it's just not doing anything. I'm going to watch some other people's, because if I actually spent $200 on this, I would be really, really, really pissed the fuck off right now. Okay, yeah. I'm going to watch some people's, but I mean, overall, okay box. Honestly, I'm a little disappointed. I definitely know I will use this for sure. I will use the blush for sure. Like I said, I'm not much of a gel person as far as cleansers and things like that. The palette, although stunning, and I know the quality is there, not my choice as far as colors go. Yeah, pretty, and then I know I'll use this. I don't use liner a whole lot, but I have used this in the past and I do like it. It does last a long time and it's very black. This, again, I don't use dry shampoo very often, but with my bangs kind of being really short now, they are kind of getting a little bit oily, a little bit faster than they normally do. So it might be, you know, an ideal thing just for that. But yeah, considering I'm only really liking 3-ish of the products, and then the like heavy hitter, so to speak, doesn't even work, I'm a little upset. So let me know what you guys think. Not my favorite, not gonna lie. I think in March, when the Boxyluxe comes back around, if I'm not like blown away by it, I think I'm just not gonna do Boxyluxe anymore. So yeah, that is it. I was gonna try on some stuff, but there's nothing really for me to try on. But thank you, beauties, so much for watching. I have missed you guys. I know you haven't really seen my face in a little while because I've been filming my collection. And the collection is still, I'm still doing that, but I deleted both of my eyeshadow palette ones. And it took me a really long time to film those, so I'm a little pissed. So I'm sorry that those are not in order the way that I had anticipated them being for my Derissmas. But yeah, it's still coming. I have my eyeshadow palettes coming still, and then like mascaras and stuff, and then my skincare. So things are still coming. I really apologize. I wanted to do everything in order, but shit happens, I guess. So I love you, beauties. I would love if you consider subscribing to my channel and tapping the notification bell so you know when I upload. I'd love to have you be part of my beauty family. And please always remember to be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties. Hi, me again. I just wanted to say that my version was version 19, so I just wanted to let y'all know because I know that you guys are curious about that. So bye again.